Hello all, good evening. This is Pawan. Welcome to Intraday Option Trader channel. Today I am going to explain how to pledge stocks or ETFs as a collateral to get the margin in Zerodha. Here you can see I have already opened my Zerodha Kite app where you can see all my holdings. To do the pledge request, first we need to go to the console. We need to go to the console and click on portfolio. So I have clicked on portfolio. It is open into the another web browser. There you can see it is open into another browser where you can see the holdings on top, console holdings, whatever the shares that you already bought in your, whatever the shares that you already bought, that you can able to see here. uh, so today we are going to buy one, we are going to pledge one quantity of HSCL from our end. So if you see, total quantity is 57 and current market price is 51.15 of HSCL. If you see here, once you click on HSCL, there is four options that we are able to see here. Click on the fourth option, pledge for margin. Once you click on this thing, you can see the quantity available is 57, and you can see some points here. So next is stock value, that points we will discuss later. So current market price, HSCL of market price is 51.15. Anyway, today market is not there. So haircut they have given 27.88 percentage. And collateral margin available is 36.89. If you want me to explain simply, for example, you think that uh, it is 51 rupees, so exchange will give you only 36 rupees. Stock price 51, but exchange will give us margin as a 36.89 rupees. So whatever the margin that you will get is after haircut 36.89 into your 57 quantity. That mar that that amount that you will get in your trading account, in your account, as a margin. Okay, once you click on HSCL, okay, here you can able to see quantity to be pledged. So how much quantity you want to pledge? So I want to pledge from my end as a one quantity, that is for just test for purpose that I want to show you. So total 57 quantity, one quantity we are pledging. Once you click on this submit, we have seen pledge request for HSCL quantity 1 successful. So we have placed the request. We'll get that thing. Once you place the request, you will get a mail from the exchange to confirm that request by using OTP that you can do from your end. That is normal procedure. So if you see the HSCL, okay, we can if you want to go inside it, there is no, okay, we need to explain those things. So anyway, I am just canceling the pledge request from our end, that is for test purpose. There is no charges immediately. If you cancel the pledge request, there is no charges immediately once you receive. So cancel this request. I have cancelled this request from my end. And once you go into the HSCL, again we'll go into the inside for discussion of these points. What are these points? For stocks pledged before 4 p.m., collateral margin will be available on T plus 1 day. This T plus 1 day is next day. So whatever the stock that you have pledged before 4 p.m., you will get that margin on the next day. So interest of 0.05% per day on any debit balance. This one we'll discuss after the third point. Cost of pledge is 30 plus GST as per script, irrespective of quantity stocks pledged. So whatever the if you pledge any, if you pledge any stock, if you pledge any stock, for example, if quantity is either it is one quantity or 10 quantity, or 100 quantity. So it will taken as for every request that you are pledging, exchange will charge you 30 plus GST, either if you do this for 1 quantity or 100 quantity or 1 lakh quantity, the same charge will applicable. And that thing that we already did right for unpledging the request, that thing for that there is no charge, only for pledging the request. For pledging we will have this charge 60 plus 30 plus GST. For unpledging there is no issue. Unpledging also based on your requirement, either you can pledge 100 quantity or 10 quantity, based on your requirement you can unpledge that thing. This point we have discussed. And the interest of 0.05% per day on any debit balance. This interest will not, for example, if you do any F&O trade, F&O overnight trade, to discuss on this thing, if you do any F&O overnight trade, you should have minimum 50% margin as a cash. Then only you can do F&O overnight trade. For example, I will explain you in simple terms. If you take any position that requires a margin of 1 lakh, you will need at least 50,000 in cash, irrespective of how much collateral margin you have. So if you have if you have a position that require margin for 1 lakh, you will need at least 50,000 rupees in your account. Then only this charge will not applicable. For example, if you don't have that 50,000 rupees in your account, at that time only that interest will be applicable. So to do the F&O overnight trade, you should have minimum 50% margin. For example, if you did pledge for all shares, whatever the all shares, and there is no remaining cash, then you can't trade in F&O overnight position. So for that F&O overnight position, you need to have 50% margin as a cash, and the remaining 50% can be as a collateral margin. That you can able, if you are not able to maintain that remaining 50% cash, then only this interest of 0.05% per day on debit balance will then only this interest charges will be forced on you. So I did all that already, this thing, there is no charge, because if you may if you do the position for 1 lakh, if you have already 50,000 as a cash, then there will be no charge, no interest for this thing. And I want to show you something. I have already placed a pledge request long back for the Nifty Bees. That here it is showing 3 quantity. It is running in profit anyway. If you go into the portfolio, here it is there it is showing 3 quantity. But if you go into the portfolio, you can able to see the full quantity there that I have currently in my account. So it is another 3 quantities there, right? So still it is showing pledge for margin. So if you pledge for margin, if you click on that thing, it is showing 3 quantity still available. So if you want to unpledge, you can unpledge here, and you need to enter the quantity to be unpledged and submit. Unpledge procedure is you just unpledge. Once this unpledge the quantity only, whatever the currently you will able to sell, you will able exchange will allow you to sell this Nifty Bees after this unpledged request. Then I want to show you another thing, one moment. And whatever the amount that I did pledging, that we can able to see in the app here, funds, there you can see in the down the line collateral equity, that is 57,740 rupees. This amount that it is showing, this is the margin that I got from that pledge request. So here you can able to see the collateral equity or collateral liquid funds, whatever. If you have liquid ETFs, Nifty Bees also, you can pledge that thing. You can able to see the for the collateral margin for the liquid funds and the above. this is for equity, so I have covered this point. And the margin that received for pledging, from the pledging, whatever the margin that we have received from the pledging, that pledging we can be used only for the trading, intraday F&O option writing. Mainly for option selling you can use this one. For option buying, exchange will not allow. So whatever the margin that you have got here, that is on that 57,740, that thing we can use it for only for option selling. I am using that thing for option selling intraday. My suggestion is, if you have uh, any stocks in your account, you just unpledge, you just pledge that thing and you can do the option trading. If you are really wants to do, there is no issue. So only for option selling you can use the this amount, whatever the margin that you are getting from the pledging request. And I want to cover one more point. For example, uh, pledge if you pledge, for example, if you take a Reliance share, if you pledge that share, that company Reliance will provide you every year, every half yearly, they will provide you some dividend or bonus. So you will get those benefits without any issue, even if you do the pledging request from your end. So there is no issue, that benefits you we will receive from our end, from the exchange, either it is dividend, either it is bonus. And one more thing I want to cover, that one is last point. If you buy any share today and you cannot do that share as a collateral, you cannot put that share as a collateral immediately today. Only when that shares came into your demat account as a holdings, like this, as a holdings, it is came into your demat account, then only you will able to pledge the request. That's it from my end. I hope I have covered all the points. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. Please post if you have any questions in the comment box.